with Chaos Off-Road, and I am here today with Diane.
Hey guys.
And with Kenny. Hello. And we are going to do something epic. She has something wonderful planned for us. She's actually hooked us up with a 1,000 4-seat Polaris RZR. We're down here at Burning Rock Off-Road Park, and we're going to go out and explore the trails. So what all are we going to do today?
Today we are going to run Trail 66, which is a blue trail. It's an intermediate trail. It's about 22 miles long. We'll be out 3 or 4 hours, and then I'm going to take you up to the overlook on the Thames Loop, and where you can see the town of Slab Fork. So it's a beautiful spot in the park at sunset.
I cannot wait. And then yesterday we were out here for a Raptor event, and we were hucking these Raptors around the course. So there's lots of room for full-size vehicles, Jeeps, Raptors, four-wheelers, motorcycles, of course these side-by-sides. And they've got this huge general store here that you can come in and rent a side-by-side. Over there there's food trailers so that you can get a cheeseburger or whatever you want to eat. They've got cabin rentals here. They've got full RV hookups. There's everything that you could ever want to do here. Y'all got to come down and try this. We're going to take some video, and we'll talk about it whenever we're done with this and tell you how much fun we had. Let's go have fun.
What's your impression?
It's incredible, man. That's worth my whole trip down there. Better than any ride at Cedar Point. Insane. Love it.
We didn't even make you buy a ticket.
Incredible. Thank you, gentlemen, so much.
Thank you for flying Air Chaos.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, welcome. Was it good for you?
It was good for me.
All right.
I laughed the entire.
I was laughing,
but
I said,
oh no.
So it's laughter and oh sh we've got here.
You say oh.
Two runs in the stock Raptor and then 2 runs in this. It's like
almost the same?
truck.
Oh, you think?
yeah, it's completely different.
Okay.
2 runs in that.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you went. I haven't been in that one yet.
That one was fun as hell, but that was
so fun. Oh my god.
All right, so how many thumbs up does it get?
like 5 billion.
Okay, 5 billion?
That was awesome, bro.
All right.
Good, yeah.
Thank you, guys.
on one side of the property. Now we're gonna go see the other side of the property, and we are dirty. But I gotta say, it was an absolute pile of fun. And they showed us, how many acres did we go see with the trails? That was the Tams, what was the name of that trail?
Tams, part of Tams, and most of 66.
Wow.
You've seen maybe a fourth of the park.
1/4 of the park. There's 10,000 acres out here to go out and go play and explore on. Man, what a pile of fun. Savage OffRoad, and they had a track day out here. Bernie from up at Roush Creek was down here also, so we thought it'd be a perfect time to come out, come see the park, and come play and have fun. So thank you, Bernie, for inviting us down. I don't know, what did you like about it?
I think the amount of land that they have out here and the scenery, not just on wheeling. You're looking at the scenery. There's so much to see here, and we've only seen a quarter of the park. There's
Really not even that, because of the trails in that quarter of a park. All we did was just drive on
around it. Yeah. It is. There's big stuff, little stuff. We didn't get to go see the rocks.